Right, it's been very wonderful. Of course, I know you've been listening to this, you've been watching. And just to finish, I want to assure you that one of the things that you have to do is to ensure all this we have talked about, just have it documented, write it down, keep it written in some specific place, and ensure that once it is there, you use it for evaluation because you will need it to evaluate yourself. And I said it, you can use quarterly evaluation system just to see how far you've gone into implementing. And at the end of the year, you can pull it out and ensure that again, that you can evaluate yourself based on what you have planned on. Organizations do this, a lot of professions do this, but when it comes to family matters and our New Year resolution, we hardly do that. But this year, 2025, just choose to be intentional with that, and you will be able to measure how far you've come from 2024 entering 2025. God bless you. Happy New Year. See you again in our next video.